Tattoos, never thought I'd understand it. We were young animals, taking acrobatic falls. For the fuck of it all, came apart before we landed. And that's the best part, that's poetic. You slipped into the dark, and only now do I get it. If anything, I'm glad you went away, glad you could not stay. Now maybe you remember me that way, never saw what I became. At least that little part of me you took away will always be the same. Through the night, took the drive, took the fight, like the moth to the light. Never knew where we were steering. Wings of gold, wings of wax, to the sun, through the cracks. Party favors, heart attacks, feel the tattoos disappearing. And I was a train, I was feeling